Hey everybody, this is Renee from Getting Fit Fab. I am bringing you another video about beauty and skincare and a little bit of a get ready with me winter edition. This video has been sponsored by Neutrogena, and today I'll be sharing my winter skincare routine and how I keep the blemishes at bay. The Neutrogena SkinClearing line. I actually love the foundation. I've been using it since October, early October, and I love it. If you want to see my skincare routine for the winter time to keep the dry skin, to make my dry skin hydrated and look nice and healthy, and also the skin clearing line from Neutrogena that helps me with my blemishes so they're not as long and everything is covered. If you want to see it, keep watching, and here we go. Alright everybody, so I wanted to do a get ready with me but about like skincare and everything else because it is officially wintertime and I still want to defrost because the winter has not been nice to us, and we had a blizzard last Thursday. Yeah. First week of January, blizzard, you know, a lot of fun things. So I already did this. This is a gentle cleansing lotion. It's from Neutrogena. It's for sensitive skin. It's fragrance free, effectively removes impurities for soft, supple skin. So I like it. It's very gentle. I didn't get irritated and I'm not getting dry patches or anything, so I like it, and it's a good cleansing lotion for the winter time when my skin is just going crazy because it has absolutely no idea what's going on. So the next thing, I had everything organized and then, you know, that plan went out the window. The next thing is Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Cream for extra dry skin. And that's what it looks like on the inside. A little bit of this goes a really long way. Like this. I always make sure to put a lot, or not a lot, but plenty on my chin, because as you can see, can you see? I have like the little dark spots and pimples and everything because that's where I break out, whether it's hormonal or you know, just my skin not liking me. Next is the Hydro Boost Gel Cream for the eyes. I get, for whatever reason, if I sound like I'm screaming, I just dropped the cat. If I sound like I'm screaming, it's because finally nobody's home, because right now it's 8:17 in the morning. So nobody's home right now, so it's nice that I don't have to worry about waking anybody up or anybody hearing me, so it's kind of cool. It says that you can use this morning or night on cleansed skin, dot product around the eye area, and smooth until thoroughly absorbed. This is $14.97. Alright. Next, just because my lips are insanely dry right now, is this is all by Neutrogena. Hydro Boost Hydrating Lip Treatment with hyaluronic acid. I like it because it's like a balm. Alright, now we're going to apply the foundation. Neutrogena, obviously, I'm just going to say Skin Clearing Oil-Free Makeup. I have it in the shade Nude 40, or 40 Nude, whatever. I actually have used this for a couple of months because I did a makeup tutorial for Scarecrow makeup, and this is the foundation that I used. I like it because I know it won't break me out. It's from their skin clearing line. It's blemish treatment with salicylic acid, so it'll help like the breakouts, especially like on my chin, and then you know, I get it on my T-zone, and, you know, the random ones that just, you know, feel like coming up whenever. The next is the Neutrogena SkinClearing Blemish Concealer. Looks like this. I like it just to use on the pimples that I have down here. I mean, I have it in the shade light because medium was too yellow, and that was not good. Next is, after that, blemish concealer, I'm using Neutrogena Healthy Skin 3-in-1 Concealer for Eyes with titanium dioxide sunscreen, but broad spectrum, SPF 20. It's concealer, eye cream, and sun protection all in one. I feel like I would use this all by itself on the days that I don't feel like wearing a full face of makeup. So, one thing that Renee should always do is check if her mic is on, because I just filmed 7 minutes and my mic was not on. Because I turned it off because I didn't want the battery to die. I turned the camera off because I was finishing the rest of my makeup and I forgot to put the mic back on. Alrighty, so we're going to just breeze through this part because I already feel like I already said it. Alright, so there's 3 products from the Hydro Boost line that I really love. I've used the overnight gel mask and the Hydro Boost 100% hydrogel mask. I like both. I use them once a week, probably not on the same day because you don't need a mask for 15 to 30 minutes in the morning or whatever, and then you need this at night. No. So I like both. I feel like my skin is feeling less dry, looking less dry, that makeup is going on better, and I feel like, especially my under eyes, that they're not I feel like looking dry, especially like when I put concealer on and everything. I don't feel like the wrinkles and everything, oh, just not, everything's better now. Reason I have lip color on right now is the Hydrating Lip Shine. I have it in this color Velvet Wine. It's number 70. There are a few other colors. This is the color that I like the most. It is like the most wintry one. There's a light pink one that I would probably use in the summertime, but this one is really pretty. The foundation is probably my favorite from all of the products because I know it won't break me out, and I like that it's a lighter coverage with everything. It's not as full, so I don't feel like I need to contour my entire face with it. So yeah. And the concealer for your eyes, I actually like it. It's very lightweight and a little bit goes a long way, so I'm not packing it on, so it's not going to try and settle into the wrinkles and under fine lines, whatever you want to call it. You know, I'm 31. Things happen. That's what we do to avoid it. The gel cream, I actually love this. This I use even in the summertime. I use it probably about twice a week. Alright, well, I hope that you enjoyed this video and you will subscribe, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment. Maybe you've tried one of these products and you really like it, or if you break out, I definitely recommend trying at least the foundation or the concealer because it'll help the breakouts. It won't make them worse. And the Hydro Boost, if you have dry skin or if the winter is doing, you know, not so good things on your skin like it is mine, you'll definitely like it. I love it, and it doesn't break me out. It doesn't make my skin feel oil or look oily. It doesn't make me look oily throughout the day. None of that. I've used most of these products for about 2 weeks already, and the foundation and the gel, I've been using this since the summer. This since October, so I definitely like it. This is great if you don't need a full coverage, or if you don't want a full coverage for your everyday look and you just want to cover whatever you don't like with concealer. This is good. Again, go in store and find the color, because tried 4, this one was a good one. Alright, well, thank you for watching this video. I hope you subscribe. You can go check out my blog, gettingfitfab.com. I hope you enjoyed this. Get ready with me winter edition of skincare and makeup from Neutrogena. You can follow me on Instagram, Pinterest at Getting Fit Fab, and on Facebook it's Gettin, Gittin Fit Fab 2013. I try and post there as much as possible. And on Instagram, I'm trying to get more into it with stories and everything, so you can follow me there. And I hope to see you next time. Bye!